Hi, in this video I will show you how to get the Lego sticker on Snapchat. So first things first, just head over to any browser that you have and search for logo or Lego PNG. Then find in here a Lego that you want to actually have as a sticker. I'll head over and use this one. Let's head over and then long press it, then download this image. Once you have downloaded the image, head back right here to your Snapchat, and then on your camera option to send a snap, click onto this gallery icon. Now choosing here your actual Lego that we have actually gotten earlier. So let's allow access first and let's get in here this. Now once you have selected the actual image, head over and click onto this drop down icon. And you can see in here this scissors icon. So head over and click on that, and in here you can just draw on which part of this you want to actually be visible when you create a sticker. So let's head over and input right here in outline. From in there, click over to done. And as you can see right now, we have now this sticker, and we can now send it to people once we have actually created it. You can send it as a snap or send it on your message. So that's how you get the Lego sticker on Snapchat. Hope we helped.